All right, so today we're going to be trying out the Keller Williams app and showing off its GPS features. We're cruising this neighborhood and coming up to a for sale sign here. So I'm going to pull over and open up my app, tap nearby homes, and it's hopefully going to show off and bring up the listing that we're parked in front of. So bust out my app real quick, and like I said, all you got to do is tap nearby homes, and the first return is 1612 Poppy, and that's where we are. So it's a really cool feature. I use it a lot when I'm walking the dog, if the neighbor's house goes on the market, or if you're in a new city or researching neighborhoods, you can be driving around and just stop, pull up the app, and there you go. It'll pull it up, first return on nearby homes. So for those in Memphis, it's also really cool. Back on the app, I can tap contact and call Terry to see it, email for more info, or text her for more info. If we go back, the Memphis app is also going to give us the ability to apply for financing right here on the Keller Mortgage. Just tap that, and right here from the Keller Williams app, we can get pre-approved for financing. 0+ loan program, as you see there, is absolutely incredible. I'd encourage everybody to look into it if you guys are thinking about buying in the near future.